Hi, my name is Tom, and today I'm going to show you how to use Momentive Silk Grip PSA529 and PSA6573a, two silicone contact adhesives that are designed to maintain flexibility and adhesion to substrates over a wide temperature range and in tough environmental conditions. Meet Phyllis. Phyllis is an engineer at a fabrication shop that specializes in flexible substrates and general assembly type applications. Every day, Phyllis is in charge of finding the best materials to meet the fab shop's needs. She works with a lot of specialty substrates, tapes, and adhesives. One day, Phyllis was tasked with finding a contact adhesive that could survive harsher applications. The adhesive had to survive low and high temperatures, have resistance to UV rays and moisture, have adhesion to difficult to bond to surfaces, be a good electrical insulator, be chemically stable in many harsh environments, and have oxygen permeability. Because of that, Phyllis immediately thought of tapes. When she needed a tape for basic applications, she chose a tape made with acrylic or rubber adhesive. When she needed a tape to survive harsher applications, she reached for a tape made with Momentive Silk Grip Silicone PSA. She knew it was used in tough environments, such as flame spray masking, heat shielding, military-grade spec tapes, brake shims for OEM cars and trucks, and medical diagnostics and wound care. Because of that, a light bulb went off in Phyllis's head. Just as she used tape made with acrylic or rubber adhesives for basic applications, and a tape made with Momentive Silk Grip Silicone PSA for harsher applications, there must be a similar solution for contact adhesives at the fab shop. She did not want to have to settle for fasteners or standard adhesives. But Phyllis was lost. She couldn't find anything. Until finally, Momentive launched PSA529 High Performance Contact Adhesive and PSA6573a High Performance and High Shear Contact Adhesive. Both products allow for the same benefits of the Silk Grip line to be brought to a liquid adhesive. 529 and 6573a have several key properties that make them suitable for harsher applications. 6573a offers even higher shear rates at elevated temperatures. To use these adhesives, just follow these easy steps. Before you begin, make sure you are in a well-ventilated area and review the latest safety data sheet. You will need Momentive's SRC18, Momentive's Silk Grip PSA, a cup or container, a stick to mix, a scale, a roller, brush, or any suitable coating device, a towel, and in this case, I will be using a clamp and a timer. And finally, the substrates you will bond together. SRC18 and Silk Grip PSA are used to bond silicone materials, aluminum, carbon fiber, glass cloth, and many other substrates. In this example, we will bond aluminum to silicone. We will show a few additional samples at the end of the video. To begin, clean and dry all surfaces to be bonded. A lint-free towel with some solvent can be used to ensure all grease, oil, and debris are removed. Turn on your scale. Place the cup or container on the scale. Zero out the scale again. Pour Momentive Silk Grip PSA into the cup or container on the scale. In this case, I think I'll need about 100 grams of Silk Grip PSA material. Once complete, zero out the scale again. Next, add Momentive's SRC18 to the Silk Grip PSA. Pour 3.3 parts per weight of SRC18 into the Silk Grip PSA. In this case, since I added 100 grams of Silk Grip PSA, I will add 3.3 grams of SRC18. You may want to pre-pour your components or use a medicine dropper for the SRC18. Next, stir the liquid thoroughly until the SRC18 is well mixed into the PSA. Apply the adhesive to one of the two substrates to be bonded using your brush, roller, or coating device. Thinning, if required, may be done with toluene or paint thinner. Before assembling the pieces, you must allow for the solvent in the adhesive to evaporate. This is known as drying time. The length of drying time will depend on solvent used, adhesive thickness, and temperature. A good starting point is 20 minutes. Not shown in this video, but a heat gun could also be used to speed up drying time. After 20 minutes, check the substrate. In this example, I'm using PSA529. As you can see, it is rather tacky and ready for bond. Please note, if using Momentive 6573a, tack levels won't be as high. If solvent is evaporated from the adhesive, the surfaces to be bonded should be firmly pressed together and the adhesive should be allowed to cure. Since I am making small sample parts in this demo, I went ahead and placed the pieces in a clamp. Cure is a function of time and temperature. Room temperature cure around 75 F will need 3 to 7 days for the catalyzed adhesive to develop maximum strength. The cure time can be shortened by elevating temperature to a maximum of 329 F. A typical shortened cure cycle is 24 hours at 77 F, followed by 24 hours at 212 F. If using PSA6573a, if possible, it is recommended to expose the laminate to 200 F in an oven with some light pressure for 20 seconds. Then remove from the oven and allow to cool. This helps promote optimal adhesion. If leftover catalyzed adhesive, meaning PSA blended with SRC18, store it in tightly closed containers and use within 48 hours. Thank you for watching this video on Momentive's PSA529 or PSA6573a silicone contact adhesive with SRC18 catalyst. Please contact Momentive or Momentive's distribution network to learn more about these products.